is that going to be something?
So my
that's going to
understanding
impact?
is they're contracted with GoDoc, which I think is the sort of nighttime service. It's a private doctor's system. And my understanding, that's not a statement of fact, but that should mean they won't be putting weight on our
So
local
they won't be impacting on the local surgeries or the local doctors?
We're on 3 years waiting list at the hospital, and we're finding out that our service that's given to taxpayers in the UK isn't good enough. And they're in Bradford. Are they really seriously on
that is what that again. Well, let's find out. I think it's important. Is it a burden on us? Is the council paying for that? I know the council are getting some funding to support this. I know it's inadequate.